We're still working through the most recent aircraft from my favorite dealer pusher. Today's aircraft is the 1/400 scale NG Models JetBlue A321-271NX WL. This jet is wearing the streamer's tail design as named after JetBlue CEO Joel Peterson. NG Models produced this aircraft in 2023. This aircraft is powered by two Pratt Whitney 113G High Bypass Turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 33,100 pounds force or 147 kilonewtons. Each aircraft has a passenger capacity of up to 240 passengers, depending on class arrangement and layout. This aircraft has a standard cruise speed of 450 knots or 833 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 4,000 nautical miles or just over 7,400 kilometers. As a note for collectors, this model has also been produced by Panda Models, also in 1/400 scale, in 2021. Originally, this A321 was delivered to JetBlue on April 29, 2021, with a registration of November 4022J, a registration that it carries today in early 2023. The aircraft actually entered paying service with JetBlue in July of 2021 after being ferried across the pond from Hamburg, Germany. Please let your friends and family who collect know about our channel and spread the word. And as always, thank you and like and subscribe. If you want to keep up with our video feed, please hit that like subscribe button below your screen. Right now, over 80% of our viewers are not subscribers, so if you don't want to miss those videos, please subscribe. If you want to watch other videos on our channel, please select one of the links shown here. Thank you and good day.